These videos are for tutors and parents of 2nd, 3rd, and 4th graders doing Common Core math homework. And in this video, we're going to do both an addition problem and a subtraction problem using the arrow diagram. And I'll show you how that works. 87 plus 64, and we're going to hope to get 151. So here's what an arrow diagram looks like. You start with a bubble that has the first number in it. And now we're going to add this second number, but we're going to do it in convenient steps. Whatever seems convenient to us, but all the steps have to add up to this 64 number. So if I thought about how I might do this, one way is, I like even numbers of 10, so I might do this. I might make a 3 there, so 87 plus 3 is 90. Okay, so that's 3 from my 64. And then I might add 60. 60 to 90 is 150. And now look, I have 3 and 60, so that's 63. I know I have 1 left, see, so there's some mental math here. So you have 1, whoops, sorry, 150, I was thinking ahead. And then, so we add the 1 more, and 151, and that's our answer. And so we write it here to complete the number sentence, and we're done. And just to show you that there's many ways to do this, let me do it another way. They're all fine as long as you add up to the second number. So 87. Now let me kind of start with the tens. So I want to add 60 to that, but 80 plus 60, maybe I'm not sure quite how that works, so I want to step up to the 100 first. So let me do 20 first to get that to be 107. And then I'll add the other 40 to go past 100. And that is 147. Okay, so 20 and 40 is 60. I've got 4 left to make 64, so now I'll add the 4 more. And we have 151. Same answer. So these are 2 of many ways you can do it, and that's one of the keys, is it lets the student figure out the best way for him or her to do it. So that's how you do that part. And now we'll do the very similar problem, which is the opposite problem. 151 minus 64. So it's actually the same method, but kind of in reverse. You start with the first number, and now you have to subtract in steps to subtract the whole 64. So, maybe I'll start by doing a 1. Then I get to a nice even 150. I kind of like how that feels. And then I'm going to subtract 60 from that, because I can, 150 minus 60 is 90. That feels good to my brain. So I'll go 60. And so we know we're doing subtraction, so 150 minus 60 is 90. Now look, I have 1 and 60 is 61. I have to get to 64, so there's 3 left I haven't done yet. So I'll do that now. 3, and that gets to 87. And that's my answer. And yep, that's my answer. So we're good. Let's try that one more way now. 151. A lot of students like to split things up by the place value, so they're going to deal with the 60 first and then the 4. So just like here, let me kind of do the 50 first to get down to the 100 level, then I'll deal with the other 10. So subtract 50 first. So I'm not doing the whole 60 in one shot, I'm going to do it in 2 shots. So that gets us to 101. And then I'll subtract the other 10 to get to the 60 that I was trying to, oops, that's a 10 there. So that is 91. So I have 50 and 10 is 60. I need to subtract 64, so there's 4 left. So last step is 4. Off of 91 is 87. And you write the answer there, and that's how you do it. Okay, thank you for watching.